it again.
Oh. You want to get a cookie? Oh my gosh, look at those hands. You ready to go? You get to get a cookie? You get to go get the mail and go outside. Ooh.
Hey Tuck, what are you doing? Tucker, what are you doing? Are you relaxed? You want to take a bath? Go get in the tub. Good boy, Levi. Ja, dann hat es.